Hi, and welcome to How to Do Tables in Google Docs. As you can see here, we have our header already created, and it's the same header we've done all along with your name and your hour at the left, a center tab at 3.25 inches where you'll tab over and type assignment 10, and then a right tab that you first set at 6 inches and then drag over to 6.5. And then you insert the page number at that 6.5-inch tab. To create the table for this assignment, you're going to go to Insert, choose Table, make it 2 columns and 5 rows, which is a 2x5 table, and it will look like this when you're done making it. You will again merge cells by selecting the entire first row, go to Format Table, and go down to Merge Cells. We want to make sure the whole table is in Comic Sans size 12. So we're going to select all of the rows of the table by clicking and dragging our mouse. We're going to go to our font and go down to the C's and find Comic Sans MS. That's our font. And then you may have to adjust your size to make sure it's on 12. When you've got that set, click in the header, go to your center alignment, turn on your bold with Control B and your caps lock, and go ahead and type the title of the table. Tab down to the second row, select that row, make it bold and everything centered, and then you will click in those 2 headings and type those in. So in this box, we will type appetizers, and in the other one, soups and breads. Notice those are not all capitals anymore. Now we're going to tab down to our next box or cell, and notice each item on the menu is left aligned, and we enter after each item so that we'll have a list of 5 things in this box. So there'll be 5 when you get done. I only did 2. In the other side, we're going to right align. So you see here where I went up to right alignment, and we're going to put in our list of 5 different things on this side as well. I'm just going to show you 2 of them. Notice they kind of type backwards because we're right aligning. Once we get those in, we tab down and we're ready to do our other 2 headings, which of course select the row, center them, make them bold, and this is going to be your main entree. I'm going to show you here again. You'll just see how I go up to do that E, and I go to the add-ons and I choose Easy Accent, and I open up the add-on called Easy Accents. I choose French, and when that little E pops up, I click on it. I have a separate video on that. If that went too fast, I have a completely separate video for you under helpful links. And then I finish the word entree, and then desserts will be our last heading. Now we're going to set our row height by selecting the 2 rows, going to Format Table and all the way down to Table Properties. Check the box and put 0.5 in the empty box and make sure we put them in the middle. Click OK. And then we have to do that again to row 4 because it has headings in it. Select the row, Format, down to Table, then Table Properties. Check the box, 0.5, and vertical alignment is middle. Click OK. Now we're going to highlight the first 2 rows with our mouse, go down to Table, Table Properties, and go to the background color. And if you hover, it says light gray 1 on the color that I want, and you click OK. Select the other 2 cells, Format, Table, Table Properties, Cell Background Color, and again find light gray 1. Click OK. So now you've done all of the shading for those 3 rows that have to be shaded. Now when you're done, the table is going to look like this one with all the information in all of the boxes. And I've also included a rubric for you so you can check your work before you click Turn In. So there's your video to help you with W10.